AI image create in WhatsApp. Go to Hey Cami AI. This is the website. You can go through the whole site and learn a lot more things about. This is a very helpful website. Scroll down, you will find a button chat on WhatsApp. Tap on it. It will take you to the WhatsApp app. Tap continue. Say hi to Cami. It will give you the instruction how you can generate AI images through your WhatsApp account. Type the language for your prompt. Language English. Type a prompt. I'll type Tom Cruise in Dhaka, Bangladesh. Now write your prompt, what image you are going to create through this AI chatbot. You can retailer a detailed message in the prompt described in the prompt. It will generate more detailed images for you. Wait a few moments for your image. Our image is generated. Let's save this image to our phone. Let's check the quality of the image. Let's create one more image. Let's create an image about Salma Hayek. Salma Hayek in swimsuit. Wait a few moments. It also generated. Friends, that was our today's video. By this way, you can generate AI images through your WhatsApp account. I think this video was very helpful for you. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to get more this kind of videos regularly. Thanks for watching.